Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 7. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to read and learn about unit number 11, oscillations and waves. This is the title page of your amazing science book for class 7. Unit number is 11, oscillations and waves. Yes students, we know that waves transfer energy from one place to another. So it is the waves which transfer energy from one place to another. So in the introduction, first of all, he is telling you about the vibrations and the waves. Vibration and waves, they play an important part in our daily lives. We see light waves scattered from the objects around us. We hear sound waves wherever we go. Some like music are pleasant sounds, but others are irritating and dangerous sounds. So students, in the introduction, he is telling you that vibrations and waves play a very important role in our daily life. If we look around, तो लाइट वेव्स स्कैटर्ड होके ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ हमें दिखाई देती हैं एंड वी कैन सी इजीली थ्रू दीज लाइट वेव्स एंड साउंड वेव्स वी कैन हेयर इजीली व्हेनेवर वी गो आउट और इनसाइड आवर होम्स. म्यूजिक आर द प्लेजेंट साउंड्स एंड साउंड्स ऑफ मशीनरी एंड नॉइज इज इरिटेटिंग एंड डेंजरस. What are the oscillations period and frequency students? A child's swing moves backward and forward. If it is pushed, अगर कोई बच्चा झूले पे बैठा है, स्विंग पे बैठा हुआ है, and when we push him, it will move backward and forward and backward. So this to and fro movement of the swing is called the oscillation. Also we have the example of a clock, pendulum which moves backward and forward regularly. Similarly, इसी तरह से a mass on a spring will bounce up and down if it is pulled or then released. अगर हमारे पास एक स्प्रिंग मौजूद हो और उस पर कोई ना कोई मैस अटैच्ड हो, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट या वेट हमारे पास मौजूद हो और हम उसको पुश और पुल करें तो वो बाउंस करेगा अप एंड डाउन. सो दिस टू एंड फ्रो बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड up and down movement is called the oscillation. Because oscillations are regular, they can be used for timing. So the time taken for one complete oscillation, अगर कोई हमारे पास स्प्रिंग है या पेंडुलम है और वो एक कंप्लीट ऑक्सीलेशन कंप्लीट कर रहा है जितने भी टाइम में, वी कॉल इट पीरियड. सो द टाइम टेकन फॉर वन कंप्लीट ऑक्सीलेशन इज कॉल्ड अ पीरियड. And the number of oscillations that are completed in 1 second is the frequency of the oscillation. Next students, he is telling you about the frequency of the oscillation. Frequency क्या है? 1 second में how much time period? 1 second में जितनी number of oscillations complete होंगी by spring or swing is called the frequency of the oscillation. So it can be described as the number of waves passing every second. A frequency of 100 Hz means that 100 waves are passing every second. अगर हम कहें कि हमारे पास स्विंग की या किसी स्प्रिंग की फ्रीक्वेंसी 100 Hz है तो इसका मतलब है कि 100 वेव्स पास हो रही हैं हर सेकंड. So for example, if the period of a pendulum, so here students we have this pendulum, this is called a pendulum. If we have a string and a mass or bob attached with it, we can make pendulum in our homes, pottery easily, is a half a second. It will make 2 complete swings like to and fro from this rail position in 1 second. So frequency will be 1 over period and frequency is measured in hertz. So the unit of frequency is hertz, Hz. So 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. What is amplitude? Amplitude is basically students the distance from the rail position to the extreme position. So this is called the amplitude. So a simple pendulum can be made by hanging a bob on a length of string, pull the bob to one side and release it. What do you observe? When the bob is released, it begins to oscillate. जब हम बॉब को इधर एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पे लाके छोड़ देंगे तो ये ऑक्सीलेट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. During each oscillation, the pendulum loses energy due to friction, and size or amplitude of the spring gets less until it eventually stops. However, the period of pendulum does not change. It is often difficult to time one oscillation as it is too fast, so we can use stopwatch to time about 20 oscillations and then calculate the average for one. So here students, we have the explanation of wavelength. So the distance between identical points is called the wavelength. Here we have the amplitude, distance between origin or original position to the extreme position is called the amplitude. So here we have the frequency, number of waves that pass a point per unit time, and speed. We can calculate speed if we multiply wavelength by frequency. What are the waves? Oscillations can be used to make waves. Oscillation movement को हम use करते हैं waves को form करने के लिए. For example, if one end of the rope is tied to a fixed object, अगर हमारे पे एक रस्सी मौजूद है और उसके एक एंड को हम किसी फिक्स्ड ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ बांध दें एंड द अदर एंड इज मूव फ्रॉम साइड टू साइड, और दूसरे एंड को हम अप एंड डाउन या साइड टू साइड मूव करें, we will observe a wave can be seen moving along the rope. तो हमें रस्सी के अंदर ही एक वेव फ्लो करती नजर आएगी. वो waves transfer energy from one place to another. When we shake the rope, we put energy into it. जब भी हम रस्सी को rope को हिलाते हैं, इसका मतलब है कि हम अपनी एनर्जी उसमें ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. This energy is moving with the wave, और ये एनर्जी वेव के साथ साथ मूव करती है. Waves can be transverse or longitudinal waves. Transverse waves are produced when the oscillation is from side to side at right angles. अगर हमारी oscillation movement side to side है, so this type of wave is called a transverse wave. And what about the longitudinal wave? To explain the longitudinal wave, we have this experiment of a spring. If one end of the spring is fixed like this, student, here it is fixed to a wall, and the other end is pulled backward and forward, a wave will be seen traveling. अगर उसका एक एंड स्प्रिंग का फिक्स है वॉल के साथ और दूसरा एंड हम पुल और पुश करें बैकवर्ड और फॉरवर्ड, we will see a wave which is traveling along the spring. Each wave is compressed, so this part where the rings of the spring come close together, it is called the compressed section, and this part where the spring loose or rings will go far from each other, this part is called the stretched out section. So waves produced by these backward and forward movements are called longitudinal waves. The wave on the spring and sound waves are longitudinal waves. ये waves जो spring के अंदर produce होती हैं और sound waves जो हैं वो longitudinal waves कहलाते हैं. इन squashes को हम लोग compressions और rarefactions कहते हैं. Describing waves, the wavelength is the distance between wave fronts as shown in this picture. The speed of a wave tells us how far each wave front move in 1 second. The speed can be calculated by speed is equal to distance traveled by wave divided by time taken, and the wavelength tells us the distance between two peaks or two troughs. So this picture, students, shows the longitudinal waves. Here we have the compressions, here we have the rarefactions. Describing wave motion, a wave is a phenomenon in which energy is transferred through vibrations. A wave carried energy away from the wave source. What is frequency and pitch? Here, students, we have the full table of different frequencies of different objects and their pitch. Different frequencies sound different to the ear. We hear high frequencies as high notes, they have high pitch. We hear low frequencies as low notes, they have a low pitch. So a human ear, the highest frequency which a human ear can hear is 20,000 Hertz, which is high pitch. Whistle sound, its frequency is 10,000 Hertz, it is also high pitch. High note from a singer, its frequency will be 1000 Hertz. Low note from a singer, its frequency will be 100 Hertz, and if we beat a drum gently, its frequency will be 20 Hertz. Some of characteristics of sounds are musical instruments make sounds which are pleasing. If you strike a drum gently with a drumstick, it makes a soft sound. If you strike the drum harder, you hear a loud sound. The loudness of sound is the characteristic of sound which depends on the amplitude of the vibrating body. So the loudness, ऊंची आवाज़ जो है, loudness जो है वो किस पे डिपेंड करती है? Amplitude of the vibrating body. If the amplitude is large, अगर amplitude ज़्यादा हो स्टूडेंट्स, a loud sound will be heard. तो हमें ज़्यादा ऊंची आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. So the loudness of sound also depends on the surface area of the vibrating body. Frequency ranges. Here students we have this table. Human can produce a sound from 500 to 2500 Hertz, and it can hear a sound of 50 to 20,000 Hertz. A dog can produce 500 to 4,000 Hertz of frequency, and a dog can hear 500 to 50,000 Hertz. Just like as cat, porpoise is basically a fish, small tooth whale fish, grasshopper and rat. Here we have the characteristics of sound, loudness, pitch and quality or timbre. Next students, we have the applications of sound in daily life. These applications are electric doorbells. When the switch of the doorbell is pressed, the circuit is closed and current begins to flow through a solenoid. जब हम स्विच प्रेस करते हैं डोरबेल का, उसका सर्किट क्लोज हो जाता है और उसमें से करंट फ्लो करता है. सोलेनॉइड इज कॉल्ड a spring body. The hammer begins to vibrate, striking the gong, and the bell continues to ring. Electric sirens में भी इसी तरह. An electric siren works by connecting the wires to the siren. जब इलेक्ट्रिक सायरन उस वक्त वर्क करता है जब वायर्स अटैच्ड हो जाती हैं, कनेक्ट हो जाती हैं सायरन के साथ, उसमें करंट फ्लो करता है. द करंट फ्लोज थ्रू अ स्मॉल स्पीकर और impeller having a cover with holes in it. As the impeller spins, it pushes out air and causes deep and loud sound. Next we have the application of telephones. A telephone has vibrating parts, a disc in the mouthpiece and one in the earpiece that turn voice sounds into electrical signals that can travel along telephone wires. Radio and stereos. At the radio stations, the sound waves of a program go into a microphone that has an electric current running through it. These sound waves create vibrations in the current as they travel through wires to the control room. In the control room, technicians control their volume and send them out through a transmitter. An antenna on the transmitter sends these electrical waves out through the air as radio waves. So it is all the working of radio stations and the TV programs which we can watch and listen easily. So it creates or produces sound waves. ये साउंड वेव्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं जो वाइब्रेशंस को क्रिएट करता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द करंट एंड देन दे ट्रेवल्स थ्रू द वायर्स टू द कंट्रोल रूम. Television. A television station broadcasts a program by converting a sound and video program into radio frequency. टेलीविजन स्टेशंस कैसे ब्रॉडकास्ट करते हैं अपने प्रोग्राम्स को? साउंड और वीडियो प्रोग्राम्स को कन्वर्ट करके किसमें? रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी में. So a television set receives these signals and turn them into sound and video by converting the radio frequency into an image. Smoke detectors. All smoke detectors consist of two parts. एक सेंसर होता है उसमें और दूसरा उसका लाउड इलेक्ट्रिकल हॉर्न होता है to wake up people in case of fire. Safety alarms are electrical alarms which are used to indicate the opening of a door or window or detect motion using infrared waves. Safety alarms infrared waves को use करते हैं to detect के door और window open है या नहीं है या open कोई कर रहा है या नहीं. So here we have these pictures of megaphone, horn. Next students, we have the solved exercise of unit number 11. Question number 1. A to and fro movement is called an oscillation. Next question, answer is the time taken for one complete oscillation is called a period. Next, the number of oscillations that are completed in 1 second is the frequency of the oscillation. It can also be described as the number of waves passing every second. A frequency of 100 Hz means that 100 waves are passing every second. For example, if the period of pendulum is half a second, it will make 2 complete swings in 1 second. Question number 2, frequency is equal to 1 over period. A period is equal to time taken for one oscillation. Frequency is equal to number of oscillations in 1 second. 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 60, which will be equal to 300 seconds. Period of oscillation is equal to 300 divided by 100. Answer will be 3 seconds. Question number 3. The period of oscillation in seconds is 28 days. Multiply 24 hours. Multiply by 60 minutes. Multiply by 60 seconds. So answer will be 2419200 seconds. Question number 4. Its period is too long. The pendulum should be made shorter. Question number 5. Waves can be transverse or longitudinal. Transverse waves are produced when the oscillation is from side to side at right angles to the direction in which the wave travels. If one end of a spring is fixed to a wall and the other end is pulled backward and forwards, a wave will be seen traveling along the spring. Each wave is compressed section followed by a stretched out section. Waves produced by these backward and forward movements are called longitudinal waves. The wave on the spring and sound waves are longitudinal waves. The oscillations producing them are in the same direction as the motion of the wave. So the squishes are called compressions and stretches are called rarefactions. Question number 6. A part, B, A, D and C. Question number 7. Using the formula speed is equal to frequency into wavelength. So wave 1 speed is 32 meter per second. Frequency will be 8 Hz and wavelength will be 4 meters. Wave 2 speed will be 32 meter per second, 16 Hz, 2 meters. In case of wave 3, 32 meter per second, 32 Hz and 1 meter. Question number 8. Correct answer is B, A and C. Question number 9. The loudness of sound depends on the amplitude of the vibrating body. If the amplitude is large, a loud sound will be heard. The loudness of sound also depends on the surface area of the vibrating body. A small drum will produce a softer sound than a big one. Question number 10. Electric doorbell. When the switch of the doorbell is pressed, the circuit is closed and the current begins to flow through a solenoid. The hammer begins to vibrate, striking the gong, and the bell continues to ring as long as the push button is pressed. Smoke detector. All smoke detectors consist of 2 basic parts: a sensor to sense the smoke and a very loud electric horn to wake up people in case of fire. Radio. At the radio station, the sound waves of a program go into a microphone that has an electric current running through it. These sound waves create vibrations in the current as they travel through wires to the control room. In the control room, technicians control their volume and send them out through a transmitter. An antenna on the transmitter sends these electrical waves out through the air as radio waves. The radio in your home has an antenna that picks up these waves from many stations at the same time. By turning the tuning dial, you can select the station you want to listen to. Television. A television station broadcasts a program by converting a sound and video program into a radio frequency. A television set receives these signals and turns them into sound and video by converting the radio frequency into an image. Safety alarm. Safety alarms are electric alarms which are used to indicate the opening of a door or window or detect motion using infrared waves. These types of sensors are designed for indoor use. Next students, we have the worksheet. Answers you have to match. So here we have the high sound, low sound, soft sound and loud sound. Match the columns like this. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.